Hi guys, so I'm so excited to welcome you guys to my kitchen in my RV. So welcome to Monique's Food Corner. Okay, so I let the pernil cook in the crock pot all day and it turned out amazing. So let you take a look. It is nice and tender. Look at that. Look at that. Yum! So that is amazing. So now I'm going to show you how to create the mofongo and put it all together as a dish for Puerto Rican delight. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back to Monique's Food Corner. Now I'm going to show you how to make mofongo. It is going to be part 2 to this food series. All right, the ingredients that you're going to need to make this is green plantains, large green plantains, okay? I like mine green but a little ripe too, so there we go. You're gonna need, I've already been in them, chicharrones. You're gonna need garlic. You're gonna need any type of cooking oil you prefer, and salt. And you're going to need a bowl full of warm water, okay? And then a pan to fry, okay, with the oil. Okay. So first, we're going to start with our green plantains because they do need to soak in the warm water with salt. So you're going to add about a tablespoon of salt to your warm water. Okay. There we go. Mix that up. And don't forget, you're going to need a pilon or something to mash it in. Okay. Grab a knife. I like to cut the ends off of the green banana. And then I like to score it so that I can open it up. Okay. All right. I'm going to score it on all sides. Let's score it one more time. Okay, now you should be able to peel it back. And if you have a hard time peeling it back, you can use warm water. It helps take it off easier. Okay. All right, I'm going to use a little warm water to help take this off. All right, I'm going to peel these and I'll be back. All right, our mofongo has been sitting and soaking in the saltwater bath and they're all ready to be put in the pan. So you want to take your plátano out of the bath and place it on a paper towel and let them dry. Pat them dry so that you can put them into the hot oil. Okay, now I can hear that our pan is ready and it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and start placing the plátano individually into the pan until it fills up. Making sure that they're not on top of each other. A great tool is this little splatter guard. Got it at the Dollar Tree. Helps to keep the oil from splattering up. So just keep it by so that it don't pop. It'll pop. mofongo is one of those type of dishes that once you cook it, you have to work fast. You want to keep it warm because it tastes better when it's warm and it's out on your plate. It's one of those dishes that require a lot of love. I'm going to take a couple more out, dry them off. And my towel, dry them off. And my towel. Okay. I have a little bit more room in there. Add a couple more. Fill in the holes. That's pretty good. Let the rest sit in the salt water until I'm ready. Okay. So you're gonna let those fry in the pan until they're golden brown. Doesn't take too long until they're golden brown. About halfway through, you want to go ahead and flip them over, okay? So I'm trying to stick to each other. I'm going to let you look so you can see how they're starting to change. See, they're starting to get a little golden. Not quite ready yet. Okay, while we wait for that to finish cooking, we're going to take and cut, or to clean our garlic, because you're going to need some more garlic, okay? So, take your garlic. Cloves, probably a half garlic. There we go. Let me grab my knife. I like to take them, smash them, open them up, peel them. My garlic clove. As you can see, the mofongo is done and is ready to come out. I'm going to take those out pretty quickly so they won't burn, okay? Give me just a second. I'm going to take those out. Get you a paper towel and a plate. Mofongo is so much easier to work with when it's warm, so you want to work fast. I'm going to pat dry another set and throw those in while we work with this one. Okay. Alright, now you're going to take in your pilon, you're going to add some olive oil. So add olive oil to the bottom. I like to add a little salt and a little pepper, black pepper. Alright, you're going to take your clean garlic cloves and place like 2 or 3 in there and chop them up. Smash them up. Smash them real good. Alright. Get those smashed up nice and good. Then you're going to want to add some of your warm mofongo in there. So it looks like that. And start to smash those up as well. Okay. Once you get those started to smash up, you're going to want to add a couple chicharrones in there. So you take your chicharrone and you add a couple in there. Okay. And chop it up. Make sure it's moving all around. Chop it up. Okay. If a little comes out, that's okay. Add a little bit more of your warm green banana and chop it up. Mash it and mix it real good in there. Make sure it's mixing. It shouldn't be turning itself over on the sides. Okay, so it's going to start to look like that. Okay. Add a little bit more platano. And add a little bit more chicharron. A couple more pieces of chicharron. And I'm going to chop it up some more. It's a lot of work, but it's well worth it. Right, babe?
Yes. It's going to taste awesome.
Alright, now I got it nice and smashed and soft in there. So that is one mofongo. So I'm going to show you how it looks. You might need just a knife or a spatula to loosen up the side just a little. After that, you should be able to drop it quite. Huh?
The inside of with oil.
I did that already. Okay. So we have one mofongo. I'm going to add the pork to it. Nice and warm. Okay. So this here is the Puerto Rican dish, mofongo, with a pernil pork, and it's all set. You serve with olive oil on top of your mofongo. So you drizzle some olive oil on top. And bon appetit! Thank you for watching my food corner and enjoying the series of how to make a pernil and mofongo. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you enjoy making it as much as I do. Till next time, live the good life and live the dream. Bye for now. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life
And living the dream.